Hello everyone. This application is all about dynamic priceless price inside product list view. In the sales master, in the sales module, we have a priceless master where we can update how much our price list is required. We can update it. Based on that, it will be updated in the product master list view also. If we want to change anything in the product master, then automatically it will get updated in the priceless master also based on the computation we will be applying. So this is for version 16 and right now I will show how this application will be working. So first we need to go to the settings. In the settings, I'll go to users. I'll click on user and here you can see allow user to access product prices. We need to tick this boolean. And once this is done, we need to go to the sales module configuration setting. Here under the pricing, we have a price list where we need to tick this boolean and we need to give this radio button as advanced price rules, discount and formula. So once this configuration is completed, I'll go to the price list master. Here how much our price list is there, we can update it and create it. Clicking on a price list, I have created a price list A and I have given the currency also and I have given the company. If it is company specific, we can give the company and display this price list into the product template list. So this is a boolean which is important where if we tick on this based on this price list configuration, it will automatically show up in the product master also. And for here, the price rules I have given based on the computation of fixed price. I have given a fixed price as 700 and it can be applied on the all the products or product category or the product or product variant. I have given a product as cabinet with doors and we can set the minimum quantity also and validity for this particular price list. So after this is we have another that is discount. For another computation, I have created another product for discount and have given 10% of discount for this particular product. And once this configuration is completed, we have another computation called formula where it is based on the sales price or cost or other prices. So right now I have selected sales price. Based on this, it will calculate the formula. I have given a discount of 5 and extra fee if anything you can give it as amount and that is have given 400 and rounding method. If it is 99.9 then how much it should be round up you can give here. Margin you can set up and I have given here also the product as a conference chair and you can set up the minimum quantity and validity also and a size price with a 5% discount and a 400 extra fee example is given like this. So based on this, this calculation will be computed for this price list rules. So once this is all set up and once I will save this, I'll go to the product master in the sales product master. In the product master, I'll go to the list view. Here you can see three columns will be coming up that is price list A, discount price list A and formula price list A. So based on the price list we have created here and the product for which we have given the computation method, it will automatically show up here. So for this particular product, we have given a discount of 10%. So based on that formula, it will be calculated and coming and sitting here. For cabinet with tools, we have given a fixed amount. So whatever it is there in price list, it will automatically update in the product master. Similarly, for the conference rate, we have given a discount formula. So we have given it will come automatically for in the formula list. So if you want to change anything for the fixed amount, and this can be changed only for the fixed amount. So if I want to change anything in the product master for a fixed amount, then automatically it will get updated in the product master also. So right now I have given 400 in the product master and right now I will again retake this and save this. If I go to the product master, I'll be able to see. Right now, I will change it as 600. I will save this. And here also, if I come and refresh, you can see 600. So whatever the products with a fixed amount is given in the product master, you can change this amount and this will be updated automatically in the price list master also. But this is not applicable for discount and formula. If you want to change any discount, if I save this, you can see a validation error will be coming up. You can only modify this product in the price list. So this is applicable for only the fixed amount. For discount and formula, we need to change everything in the price list master also. And this is regarding the dynamic price list inside the product list view. So if you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. Thank you.